Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I'm going to be picking this challenge lock that was sent to me by Mr. Lockpicker that was made by ReformedSeeker. I have picked this off camera, and I am going to try to do it again. It did take me a few minutes, so I am happy with this. This is a lot of fun. Just inserting my pick into the keyway and sliding it forward, there's a little bit of movement on the core. Click on 2, little click on 3 and a little bit more movement. Click on 4, click on 5, I think it might only be 5 pins. Deep false set. Try to find, find one here that gives me counter rotation. Felt like that. And we're open. That was a lot faster the second time. The first time probably would have been better to film. I apologize. Now, Mr. Lockpicker already did a pick and gut of this, but I am going to gut it again just because I want to take an up close and personal look. Lock this. I'm not going to lock it back up. I'm not going to use the key. It's nicely mummified. No reason to take it out. So a couple weeks ago, I won a giveaway from CLK Supply, and one of the many very cool things that they sent me was this really awesome 3-in-1 tool. It's a Schlage end cap removal tool, master pin remover, and plug follower. Get a shim in here. Use the other end of this as the follower. Perfect. Let's take a look at the key pins. Pin 1, 2, 3. I'll go over these in just a minute. Very, very nice pin work. I've only done a couple of challenge locks, and this is by far the coolest pin work that I've personally picked. These are so nice. Like a torpedo spool in 1, nice deep serrations in 2, another torpedo in 3, more serrations in 4, and a similar torpedo-ish pin in number 5. Let's get to the drivers. Driver 1 is a very sort of like nasty double spool, like nasty in a good way. Almost looks like a chest pin in 2. Again, like these are just fantastic. Serrations on the end, sort of turns into 2 spools with another serration on the end, and just fantastic pins. There is a nice serrated pin. I don't know what that is. I'll put that back in a second. And another, it's almost a double spool more than it is a serration. Let's see, I'll check these springs and see if any of them are different. One, 2, both the same. 3 is the same. 4 is the same, so I assume 5 is also the same. Yep. Some kind of little insert goes into the bottom of the keyway, or where the plug goes, anyhow. Let's check for modifications to the core. Nothing there. And as far as I can tell, no modifications were made to any of the pin chambers. Anyway, here is an up-close view of these beautiful pins. Very nice, Mr. Seeker. Very, very pleased. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. I did manage to get more than 100 subscribers so far, and guys, I'm just so thrilled. Thank you all so much. I appreciate all of you, and I really just can't tell you how thankful I am. I did add some more locks to the giveaway. For each of the winners, we'll each get one of these Schlage 851226 I featured in one of my videos. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and have an awesome day. Thank you.